My name is Fatima Begum binti Abdul Latif. My metric number is 25DDT22F114.
Hello everyone, today I want to discuss about my mini project. And my name is Anne-Marie Anaperempan Robert and my metric number is 25DDT22F1164. And the introduction is, we choose a app TrackCC about the attendance system. The TrackCC app is an innovative, reliable attendance tracking application tailored and educational institutions, accompanying both classroom and extracurricular activities. This app offers seamless and attendance system, real-time analytics, and effective communication tools, ensuring efficient monitoring tracking of students' attendance. With a user-friendly interface, TrackCC enable easy attendance marking through manual entry, QR code scanning, or NFC checking. Additionally, it features a straightforward check-in screen for students and a secure parent portal for viewing attendance records and receiving notifications. And the first one is input and output interface design. Login registration, teacher and student can create an account or login to access the system. So here we want to share our screenshot here. They can sign in as a teacher and as a student picture. And then the class information, lecturers scan the input information about the students and class during attendance and marks and their students report. Here we also provided the image of the track class conductor settings and the class info. We want to create the class name and school term, school name and descriptions. After that, display attendance data marketing system. The system displays allowing lecturers to optimize irrigation. And we provide the student info screenshot and we provide the screenshot of attendance check-in network. Yeah, they will show if we are present, they will show present or absent with excuses or absent with not excuses. And then we can also see the grading networks like daily homeworks, exams and class term project. After that, display attendance data marketing system. The system displays allowing lecturers to optimize irrigation. And after that, input interface, teacher, the F3 interface, teacher dashboard, student check-in screen, and parent portal. Teacher dashboard is user-friendly interface for marking attendance with options for manual entry. And student check-in is simple and intuitive interface for students to scan QR or use NFC. Parent portal, secure portal for parents to view the attendance record of their children's. And then output interface, admin dashboard, report section, notification panel. As admin dashboard is comprehensive view of attendance data with filtering and sorting capabilities. And report section is exportable attendance reports with customizable and options. And then notification panel, real-time alerts and notification regarding attendance status. And data B is data capture devices. They have three data capture devices like smartphones are used by teachers, NFC readers for school utilizing NFC tags, and webcams integrate with virtual classroom platform to automatically log in the attendance during online classes. And the C is testing scenario, QR code check-in functionality. The steps are open the app and navigate to check in the screen and then scan the QR code as given for generate a specific class or event. And then verify successfully check-in and update the attendance of the students and check in the admin dashboard to ensure the check-in reflection in real time. And then attempt check-in with an invalid QR to verify error handling. And the result is successfully check-in update the attendance status immediately, and also invalid QR codes produce appropriate error messages. And the D is installation step by step. First one is prepare the environment and then download the app and then install the app. They have FT is evaluation checklist. First one is user interface is intuitive and user friendly only. Then input method, they have QR code and NFC and manual entry and are accurate and reliable. And the C one is output displays, and D integration with existing system seamless, and E is security features and implemented and functional. And then installation processes smooth and error free. And then backup mechanisms and are in place and tested. And the F is maintenance. Type of maintenance is preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, adaptive maintenance, and perfective maintenance.
For system security, the first one is about data encryption for secure storage and transmission of attendance records. The first one is data at rest encryption. Attendance records stored on servers and database are encrypted using industry standard encryption algorithm such as AES 256. The second point is data in transit encryption. which is all data transmitted between the app servers and users, is encrypted using SSL and TLS protocols to prevent interruption and also eavesdropping. The third point is in encryption key management. This is about secure key management practice are followed, ensuring that encryption keys are stored and accessed securely. It is about multi-factor authentication for user accounts in system security. The first one is two-factor authentication, which is called 2FA. This is about user must provide two forms of identification, something they know, password, and something they have a code sent to their mobile device or email. The second point is authentication methods. Option includes SMS-based codes, email verification, and authenticates apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. And the third point is user enrollment. Users are prompted to set up MFA during the initial account setup and can manage their MFA preference to account settings. Our role-based access control to limit data access in security. The first point is about user roles definition, which is different roles such as admins, teachers, students, and parents, each with specific permissions and access levels. The second point is about access control list, which is called ACX, define what actions each role can perform and what data they can access. The third point is about role assignments. Administrator assign roles to users based on For all assignments, administrator assign roles to users based on their job functions, ensuring that sensitive data is only accessible to authorized. This is about regular security audits and vulnerability assessments. In the first point is internal audits, which is regularly scheduled audits conducted by the internal security team to review code configurations and access controls. Second point is external penetration testing, hiring external security experts to perform penetration tests and identify potential vulnerabilities. Third one is patch management, which is timely application of security patches and updates to software and system to mitigate identify vulnerabilities. For backup, we have four types of backups. First one is cloud backup, which is automate backups of attendance data to secure cloud storage services. This one is will schedule backups occur daily, weekly, or at a custom frame. Access and restore. Authorized personnel can access backup data through a secure web interface, allowing for quick restoration if needed. The second one is local backups, option for schools to export data to their local servers. For example, export options. The system includes an option for administrator to manually or automatically export attendance data to local servers. For data format, data can be exported in multiple formats, which is like CSV, JSON, SQL dumps to ensure compatibility with various systems. Schedule backups. Local backups can be scheduled to run at regular intervals, ensuring data is consistently up to date. For storage solutions, school can store backups on local network attached storage, which is called NAS device, and external hard drives or other secure local storage solutions. Incremental backups, which is regular backups capturing only changes made since the last full backups. Initial full backup, which is the first backup, is a full copy of a attendance data, creating a baseline for subsequent incremental backups. Changes tracking. The system tracks the changes to the attendance data, including new entries, updates, deletions. Incremental backups, which is regularly scheduled incremental backups such as hourly, daily, capture only the changes made since the last backups. And it will be efficiency. For example, incremental backups require less storage space and bandwidth, making the process faster and more efficient. And restore processes. In case of data recovery, the system uses the full backups and subsequent incremental backups to construct the most recent data. And the last method is disaster recovery plan, steps to restore attendance data in case of the data loss or corruptions. For example, risk assessment, which can identify potential risk and vulnerabilities that could lead to data loss, such as hardware failure, cyber attacks, natural disaster, or human errors. For backup verification, we have to regularly test backup process and data integrity to ensure backup are complete and usable. Recovery procedures, which is will establish detailed procedures and for restoring data from both cloud and local backups, including roles and responsibilities for staff involved in the recovery processes. Function, which is interface design, system testing, and system manual. For interface design, make mockups and screenshots of the app's user interface, detail wireframes used in the design process. For system testing, test cases with steps, expected results, and actual outcomes, and also error logs and troubleshooting steps. Manual, we have user guide for navigation and using the app, also technical documentations for installation, configuration, and these are the reference which is we search for track CC app. That's all from us. Thank you.